Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Astra Nova token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Astra Nova building since 2020. Astra Nova is an AI infrastructure and entertainment ecosystem that merges artificial intelligence, interactive media and blockchain into a unified digital economy. The project mission is to build a participatory layer where creators, communities, and brand can co-create, distribute, and monetize in immersive content using AI-driven tools and decentralized ownership models. At its core lies the mini app launched, a zero-code operating system that enables creators and projects to deploy AI-powered utilities, interactive experiences, and branded applications without requiring technical expertise. This infrastructure allows token communities to generate real on-chain activity, fees and rewards, transforming engagement into measurable economic value. The platform represents a new category of AI native Web3 infrastructure where usability and scalability converge. Astra Nova ecosystem includes a growing suite of connected entertainment and infrastructure products designed to serve both creators and communities. Astra Nova token total supplies 10 billion and circulating supplies around 1.02 billion RVV token. RVV token is listed on Binance Alpha, KuCoin, BingX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.